So you've just created a masterpiece. Time to upload. YouTube, the marathon runner, takes its time, processing and optimizing. Meanwhile, Chrome is like, blink and it's done. It's the hare and the tortoise of the internet world. Ah, the dreaded progress bar. YouTube's got you watching that loading circle like it's a suspense thriller. Chrome, on the other hand, finishes so fast, you wonder if it's just a magic trick. Abracadabra, and it's uploaded. In this video, I am going to tell you guys a proper way of upload video on YouTube. So first of all, let us clarify which platform is best there to upload video on YouTube or Chrome. It is easy to upload video from YouTube APK. But what if I tell you that Chrome is the right way? Reason first, thumbnail quality. If you uploads video from YouTube APK to thumbnail, there will be a lot of difference in its quality. But if you upload it from Chrome, then it will be like in HD second interface and more option differences on screen third option. It's clear and proven that the video uploaded from Chrome has brought more views and reach. So in my opinion, upload video from Chrome. Thanks for watching. Bye.